Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the From the Curves, and this video is conversation with Bree.
Alright. What's your name?
My name's Bree,
You
and
have
when
to
you
look at
see
you have to look
me,
at the cam now. You have to look at the cam now. Talk to the camera. Talk to them here. Everybody's looking at you here. What's your name?
My name is Bree. I'm already my kid.
And how old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Alright. So, how are you doing?
Fine. Thank you for asking.
You are back at school?
Nope.
You're not back at school?
No, because I'm at home.
So you have to do school where?
Online.
Online? What do you use?
They just go on Zoom and then they just see everybody, but when they're not hearing them, they just come off and then come back on. Your teacher just comes back on and then you hear the ringing and then you answer and then your friends and your teacher, they can hear you or we can hear them.
Do you prefer online school or would you like to go back to school?
I want to go back to school.
Why?
Because I've never seen my class, I've never seen my room, I've never seen our room, I've never seen my desk, I've never seen my chair, I've never seen the TV, I've never seen the board. Because I didn't go to that school.
Alright, so what do you miss about school? You miss your friends? What do you miss about that?
I miss playing with them because they're so nice to me and I even want to pick the toy.
But you get to go and see them online.
Yes, but I want to go to school.
What's stopping you from going to school?
Nothing?
Yeah?
Oh, coronavirus.
What do you think about the coronavirus?
The coronavirus is some germs and they help you get sick. When you go on the road with no mask, you might get sick. And you have to wear the mask on even your nose, your mouth, and then cover it up at your ear.
So what about if you wear it under your chin?
It still shows your mouth and your nose.
What about if you wear it on your head?
No, it might show your nose, it might show your nose and your mouth still.
So you have to protect your nose and your mouth.
Yeah, you must do it on your ear even.
Okay. And
that's like my dad do.
so if you go on the road and you touch stuff, what should you be doing?
Put sanitizer on your hand.
And if you don't have sanitizer, what else can you use?
Water.
Water and
soap.
Okay.
If you have soap.
Do you love your sister?
Yeah, she's so cute.
You miss her?
Yes.
Where is she?
She's going to the doctor to get a shot.
And if she get her shots and she starts crying, how do you feel?
I feel sad and start to cry too.
Why?
Because I don't want my sister to cry.
You love your sister? Would you take the shots for her?
No, because I'm not the doctor.
Yeah, you're not at the doctor, but if the doctor could come and give you the injections for her instead of giving her, would you take the shots?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You love your sister that much?
Yeah. Because I want to be a nurse.
Oh, so you would prefer to cry than your sister?
I'm not gonna cry when I just get another shot, because I will be like, psh.
You want to be a nurse?
Yes.
Why?
Because nurse is help people. I want to help people too.
You want to help people?
To get better again.
So if they're sick, you're gonna take care of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even if your grandma and grandpa Cuffs died, I just help them back to see them again.
Okay. All right. So, mommy's getting old. Daddy's getting old, right? Do you want us to get old?
No.
Why? Why?
Because I want you guys to stay the way you guys are.
Okay.
Because I like you guys this way and I love you
Like,
guys.
if you talk like that, nobody's gonna hear you.
Because I love you guys.
And you want us to stay this way? Why?
Because I want you guys to stay.
You don't want us to walk with sticks?
No.
Why?
Because you guys are mommy and daddy. You guys are my mommy and daddy.
So, mommy and daddy can't walk with stick?
No.
Why?
That's like my grandma and grandpa doesn't work with.
Oh, so his grandparents walk with stick.
No.
But you just said only grandparents should walk with sticks?
No.
Not like really old grandparents.
No, really, really, really old grandparents walk with stick.
Okay, but not your grandparents.
No.
Okay.
Because they're not old and old and old. They're not really, 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 really old.
So, what have you learnt in school recently?
Talk about Jamaicans and Europeans, Africans, Asians, and Chinese.
What? Where are Chinese people from?
China.
Where are Europeans from?
Europe.
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 Where are Africans from?
Africa.
And where are Jamaicans from?
Jamaica.
Okay. So, if you meet some people who are from Africa or China or Europe, should we treat them differently?
No.
Why?
Because we are like this, like how you and mommy are like that. They don't stay like we are different people.
They're different people, but should we hate people based on the color of their
No,
skin?
like no.
Based on the color of their
No,
skin?
like no.
Should we treat everybody with love?
Yes.
Why?
Because they're our family.
They're all family, that's true. So if somebody's white, should we treat them different?
No, just like Uncle Garfield has white skin. I just don't treat him badly, his skin badly like that, because he might be like, Bree, why are you doing that?
Alright, so what about somebody who's darker?
Like Auntie Renee's? I don't pay that anymore. I mean, I don't treat that badly because she might, Bria, don't do that.
So we should treat everybody the same.
Yes.
With love
Yes.
and care?
Yes.
Alright, so skin color doesn't matter. Alright, so what do you want to say to the people? What should they do?
You should stay safe and be nice to your people.
A-M family. Pronounce P-A-M.
P-A-M. Pam.
What's H-A-M?
H-A-M. Ham.
What is
T-A-M. T-A-M. I already know. Tam.
And what is
I
S-A-M?
know.
What?
Sam.
Okay. What else you want to talk about? What's the name of your dog?
Boy.
Why did you name him Boy Boy?
Because it has dark black skin and it's a boy. Because my dad told me it's a boy. Because he bought it for me. He's so cute.
He's so cute. What about when he jumps up on you?
I just turn away and just tell him no, boy.
Okay, what do you tell him to do?
Sit.
And does he do it?
Yes.
What do you do when he sits?
Pet him.
Okay. How do you show me how you pet him?
Yeah.
What are you watching on Netflix?
I watch Ballerina and even Paw Patrol and even Buckardigans and even Dora the Explorer.
Alright. What are you watching on YouTube? Who are some of the kids you watch on YouTube?
Ryan's World and Casey and Wonderland and Casey and Wonderland Wonderland.
Can you sing the Frozen song?
Yes, I can sing Show Yourself.
Go.
Show yourself. dying to meet you. Here I come so far. You're the answer I'm waiting for all of my life. Oh, show yourself. Let me see who you are.
All right. Can you sing Dora song?
Yes. Dora. Dora. Dora, 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 little explorer. Dora. Boots a Dora, Dora, Dora. You need your help. By the backpack. Let's go. Jump in. Dominoes. You can lead the way. Hey, hey, hey. Did the Dora. Did the Dora. Did the Dora. Did the Dora. Swapping, no swapping. Swapping, no swapping. Oh, man. Dora, the little explorer.
All right.
Some things never change. I can feel the hand in mine. Some things stay the same. Like a wind is also man and also done and I never fall. Some things are always true. Some things never change. Like I'm holding on tight to you.
Good job.
The winds are restless. Does that be why I'm hearing this call? The thing is coming. That be why I'm hearing things. Yay!
All right. Who's your best friend?
Daddy
Alone.
and Bella.
And no mommy.
Yeah.
What are some of the things you like doing with mommy?
Playing
And cooking.
and cooking.
What do you like to cook?
Pancake.
And what about dinner?
Don't play my curry chicken.
Yeah, you love to eat that too.
Ooh.
What are some of your favorite snacks?
Donut and potato chips.
So, what do you think about people who like the color brown?
Grandma and Grandpa. And
Do you like the color brown?
yeah, because that's my daddy's favorite color.
Wow. What's your favorite color?
Pink, purple, and yellow, and even black, and even orange. Black, black, black.
Alright, that's it for me. Do you have anything that you want to say before you go?
Yes.
What?
My subscriber, they said you girl, go girl, and there's 20 through 45 subscriber in my channel.
Okay.
My head is hurting me.
Okay. That's it?
Bye bye. And there's Bree. And when you see me, this is what you see. I am a cuff, and I'm also the king. I am a bigger hair to the throne. Watch me from now until I'm gone. Stay in my lane, stay in my zone. Watch me from now until I'm grown.
Alright, clap now. Do it now. Clap. Alright, go right in. Alright, hold on. Hold
It's like somebody said Bria. Somebody said Bria.
Alright. Look up again. Alright. Alright, clap for me now.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had it back there